This material is from National Open University of Nigeria. My name is Dan Asukwo, your instructor. If you are a NOUN student or from any other universities, this will be very useful for you. Please do well to share it with others as well as on your study groups. Do you want a video of any other GST? If so, let us know at the comment section. If this is your first time of coming across our videos, then do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share for others too to benefit. The following are the likely asked questions and answers in Module 1, Unit 5. 1. How does philosophy contribute to the development of critical thinking skills? Philosophy fosters the habit of reflection, enlarging awareness and enhancing critical thinking, discernment, and enlightenment. 2. What role does philosophy play in providing a sense of direction in uncertain times? Philosophy offers a unity of outlook and response to the reality of the world, providing parameters for discernment, judgment, and intelligent problem articulation. 3. How does philosophy train individuals to think at both practical and abstract levels? Philosophy cultivates clear, critical, and independent thinking, enabling individuals to develop analytical abilities essential for handling practical and abstract issues. 4. What insights does philosophy offer at the moral level? Philosophy helps individuals distinguish between values, identifying what is morally good, acceptable, and praiseworthy, versus what is bad, immoral, unacceptable, and condemnable. 5. How does philosophy benefit professionals in various fields? Philosophy provides an intellectual background essential for success in any profession, challenging individuals to devise effective problem-solving strategies and rationalizing and organizing the results of human inquiry into a consistent worldview. 6. What misconception about philosophy does the study address? The study addresses the misconception that philosophy is abstract and lacks practical relevance, highlighting its usefulness across various fields of study and in everyday life. 7. In what ways does philosophy contribute to personal growth and development? Philosophy encourages personal growth by fostering critical thinking, moral discernment, and problem-solving skills, thereby enhancing one's ability to navigate life's complexities. 8. How does philosophy help individuals navigate uncertainty and change? Philosophy provides individuals with a sense of direction and a framework for understanding and responding to uncertainty and change, offering a unified outlook on reality. 9. What is the significance of philosophy in organizing human inquiry and knowledge? Philosophy plays a crucial role in rationalizing and organizing the results of human inquiry, including religious, historical, and scientific knowledge, into a coherent worldview.